To create a rendered image, just go to the toolbar and click the Create Photo button. As the first step, make this dialog box larger. Here, you can create a render by clicking the Create button. As a rule of thumb, the image will be rendered from your current 3D view. For interior renders, it's recommended to switch to Virtual Visit. Just right-click in the 3D view, select Virtual Visit, and move your visitor inside the room. Once it's done, click Create again. In the dialog box, set the image size by entering the desired pixel dimensions. You can also lock the aspect ratio while resizing. In this section, you can use the quality slider to choose between 4 quality levels. For quick previews, use the first and the second level. Higher quality settings produce accurate lighting and shadows, but they also increase render time. If the rendering process is too slow, just reduce the image size. In this section, you can also choose from different camera lenses and render engines depending on your result you are looking for. The date and the time settings control the intensity and the direction of sunlight, as well as the position of the shadows. For example, just set the time to daytime and create a new render. You can see the sunlight appears on your floor. For the best results, always disable Add Ceiling Lights, as they often produce unrealistic lighting. Instead, use your own artificial lights for greater control and more realistic results. For the best renderings, always position the camera first, then adjust the lighting, and create a few test renders with reduced render quality. When it comes to creating the final render, always use the highest quality settings. Once the render is finished, click Save to export the final image in PNG format. Just set a file name and click Save.